In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to keep your status active on Microsoft Teams, whether you're stepping away from your desk or simply want to maintain that green light presence while you're focused elsewhere. Ensuring your status remains available is simpler than you might think. Let's dive right in and get you set up for continuous activity display. Begin by opening your Microsoft Teams application. Once you're there, direct your attention to the upper right corner of your screen. You'll notice your profile picture, or if you haven't uploaded a picture, your initials will be visible instead. Go ahead and click on that. After you've clicked on your profile picture or initials, you'll see your current status displayed. It could be available, busy, do not disturb, or something else based on what you've set previously. Click on that status. This action will open a menu that shows a variety of status options, but what we're interested in is the duration setting. Clicking on Duration brings up a pop-up window where you can customize how your status is displayed over a specific period. First, under the Status section, make sure to select Available. This status indicates to your colleagues that you are online and ostensibly available for conversations or calls, even if you're away from your keyboard momentarily. Next, let's decide how long you want to keep this status active. In the Reset Status After section, you're given several options. You might choose from predefined timeframes such as 1 hour or 4 hours. Alternatively, if you have a particular time frame in mind that isn't listed, you can set a custom duration. This flexibility allows you to align the status settings perfectly with your schedule, whether you're in meetings, working on focused tasks, or just taking a break but want to appear available. Once you've set your preferred duration, hit the Done button. This action confirms your selections. Now, regardless of your actual computer activity, whether you're actively typing away or taking a step back from your screen, your status will stay as available for the time period you've specified. This ensures that anyone trying to get in touch knows you're virtually present and engaged, which can be particularly useful during busy workdays when you want to manage perceptions of your availability. That's it. A straightforward method to manage your visibility on Microsoft Teams without the hassle of returning to adjust your status repeatedly. This feature is particularly handy for maintaining seamless communication in a work-from-home environment or when you're mobile. I hope you found this guide helpful and that it empowers you to make the most of your Teams experience. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.